Hey there, good morning. I'm talking about the Divi theme and how we're going to make some of these pages that were built just on the WordPress editor, how we're going to move them over to Divi and add elements that are templates, like this header section and the footer section. So the first thing that I do is I go to a page that's already designed how I want it to be, and I will save these sections. Well, first you go to the page and enable Visual Builder, and it brings you to this page, which allows you to hover over each element. And we can hover over the main section on the very top and save section to library. And then you would call it the whatever title you want to give it and save it to the library. You do that for each section that you would like to bring over. So I'm also going to bring over this navigation, which I already did, and also did the footer. So once we have those elements saved, we will now go to the page that we need to transform into a Divi built page. So let me refresh this. So this page I built in this fashion where this was all just text. And I enabled the Visual Builder, and I brought these elements in from the library. So to do that, I clicked Enable Visual Builder. If you do have text that's on a page that hasn't been built with Divi, at this moment, it would ask you, do you want to bring this copy over or these elements over, or do you want to clone a new page, other options? I choose to bring over existing content, and it will load it into a Divi Page Builder format. So I did that, and then to add these sections, what I did was I would hover over until I had a section that, or one of these plus signs that says Add New Section, which are purple. So you click that, and then you can choose a new section, or you can add from library. So I would click Add from Library, and then you would click on the section that you're wanting to add, whatever name you gave it for the header. So the navigation bar I already brought in, which is orange, and the header section. So that's pretty easy. If you bring in a section that's in the wrong place, all you do is hover over that section, and you'll see a little pop-up come up on the top left of that section, and you can simply grab that and move it. So that is easy. And once you've done that, you'll click on the three little buttons on the bottom right, and it opens up a Save button down here on the bottom left. So you press Save, and that saves all of your changes. So that is easy. Let me see if I can show you a page. Trying to move my face out of the way. Okay, so that's been saved. Let's view the page, exit Visual Builder, and that way we can click on one of these links. So let's go ahead and click on Orlando. This page doesn't have a header or footer, so we're going to go ahead and add that. So let's press Enable Visual Builder. And here it asks us if we want to use existing content, a pre-made layout, or clone existing page. Let's choose Use Existing Content and start building. So now it's brought over the content that we saw, but it's now in the Divi Builder. So let's go ahead and find that plus sign by hovering until we, usually you can't add the top one. It won't let you add a new section on top for whatever reason. So I am going to find the plus sign at the bottom. Here we go, Add New Section, Add from Library, and we're going to put in the footer. So there is our footer, and then we're going to add another section, and we'll just simply drag it where it needs to go. So add from library, let's add the top, and then we'll drag it up here. Okay, so now we need the navigation. Come on, here we go. Let's see if we have, maybe that's the menu. Oh, yep, that's the menu. Okay, perfect. So we have the header, we have the menu, the page information itself, and then we've got the footer. So let me just reference this to the home page and make sure it's the same look. Sometimes you can have old templates and it's not updated. All right. So that's how you do that. And then of course you need to save it. So there you go, press save, and that is all set. Let me know if you have any questions.